Hello ladies and gentlemen, Danadeobo here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this application, this game application you can see on my screen now, how you can create it all by yourself using your mobile phone. So I created this thing in less than 5 minutes. I used my mobile phone to create everything. So guys, let me just show you one of the game. So let me open, actually here you can see I have 10 games that I've put up here. Let me just click on one and let's just play it and see how it's going to be. So let me click on this basketball. There are actually many games you can do. You can put up to 25 games, but I actually decided to put just 10 just to make it to be well organized. So now this one is actually opening. I want you also notice that in my game here you can see ad running. It means that as people are playing my game, as I send my friends and family as they play the game, I'm also going to make money by the ad that is showing. So I'm going to show you how you can get everything done. So let me just quickly play on this basketball. So let me just off the sound, so that you can hear me clearly. And I'm just going to click on this play icon. Then I'm going to swap the ball up here, then just keep winning. And when I'm done, I actually put a button down here. It can take me back to home. So when I click on all games, it's going to bring me back to my home here. So you can actually play other games. Let's say, for example, I want to play this flip the bottle. All this thing was designed by me. I didn't do any coding, just simple thing, just select it and that is that. So I'll show you everything. Make sure you watch everything from A to Z. And if you're new to my channel, ensure you subscribe to enjoy more content like this. So I'm going to click on tap to play. So for this one, let me just reduce the sound so that you can hear me clearly. So click on back. I'm going to click on the play button. I believe you can hear me. And this one is flip the bottle. I'm going to flip the bottle. Wow. Okay, let me do it again. Just wipe it up and yep, got that. Flip the bottle. And this is an interesting game that you can play with your friends and family, and you're going to love it because I actually love playing it. And the beautiful thing there is that I created this thing less than 5 minutes, which you can create this yourself. You can do more with this yourself. So guys, let me show you how you can do everything from the beginning. So let me just go back, press back button, and you can show you. So this is the game icon. I created this game myself. You can see this is the game icon. Please make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with friends and family. So when I tap on the game icon, I call it game up. Everything was created by myself, and I told you earlier I did not write any single line of code, and everything is done. You can see the games, you can see everything. I designed this. I'm going to show you how you can do everything, and it's very, very simple. So guys, let me show you everything from A to Z. The first you're going to do is to come to your browser here, and I'm going to put the link below, or you can just go to your Play Store or go to your browser and search for Appcreator24.com. But just click on the link below. You'll finally be brought straight to this place. So all you have to do is just register. I've already have an account. So when you just scroll down here, you see this place, sign up. So you just put your name. If you're in Nigeria, you select Nigeria. Anywhere you are, you select that place. So let's say okay, I'm just come to, since I already have an account, I'm just going to log in. So let me just log in into my account. I'm going to click on sign in. Now you go on sign in. So if you are signing up for the first time, you're going to send those normal email verification, this and that. So these are some of the apps I've created. So it's not only game app you can create. You can create anything. You can even convert your website to application using this particular platform. So I've created a video where I convert website to app using the platform. You can watch the video. I'll put the link below, and you can see the link up there. Just click on it and it will take you there. So but make sure you watch this video first. So let's get started. All you have to do is to come here and click on create application, create app. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends and family. So here you're going to give your app a name. So let me just call it let's play. You can call it anything. So let me just call it let's play, and you're going to choose your icon launcher. So here you can click on choose from files. When you click your file, it's going to come straight to your profile. So let me just click on the one I used for recently, the one you just saw there. This is it here. I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to give your game a description. Just call it relax. Let's play and relax. Anything, just call it. I'm going to click on next. Next. So when I click on that, it will take me to the next place here. Now here is where you can choose a style for your application. So you can select any style. When you check the one I chose to you, I actually selected blue. So you can select any style you want. So let me just select the blue. Don't worry, you can select any style. And the particular game that I created, I show you in the beginning of this video, I'll put the link below so you can actually test it out to see if you actually love it, and you can create the same thing just like that as I'm showing you in this content. Don't forget, please subscribe. It's important you subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and you can ask questions. I'll be glad to answer you. So I'm going to click on next. When I click on next here, now it's going to give me all these, but this is not what you want to create. You can see these are all the apps you can create, but I'm not creating this. All you have to do is to come here and click on this, create an empty app. So when I click on create an empty app, it's going to bring me here. So I can do two things here. I can just come here and click on this go to app manager, or I come here and click on apps. But I'm going to click on go to app manager. That is going to be the best option. So it's going to begin me to the app manager of the name of the game. Don't forget that the name of the game we created is Let's Play. As you can see it here, Let's Play. So the first thing I'm going to do is to actually create a section. Now let me show you all these things you are seeing in this game here. All these games, they are all sections, different sections. They are all sections. You get it? Even this one down here is a section, and the one here, like let's chat there, they are all sections. This is also a section. So I'm going to show you how everything is being done. So let me come back here. The first thing I'm going to do is to come here and click on section. So when I click on section, I'm going to click on create section. Let me create the first game. So when I click on create section, I'm just going to come to where they wrote game. So this is game here. So this is one of the best way you can actually create a game in 2024. So I'm going to click on game. When I click on game, then there are several games you can select from, as I've told you earlier. So here I'm just coming and click on select. When I click on select, so these are the games that you can actually, any one of these games is fine for you. So let's say I want to there are several, so you can see them several. So let me just come down here and select this graffiti kid. I'll click on select. Then I'm going to give it a name. You can actually give it any name you want to. You can give it any, but I'll advise you to give it the name of the app, the name of the application you are creating, the name of that game you are creating. So this one is Graffiti Kid. So you can see a session title. I'll also call it Graffiti. Graffiti Kid. Then you can give it access to leaderboard. In my own game, I didn't give it access to leaderboard because if you want access to leaderboard, it's going to ask for the user's permission to get their location, and it's going to ask the user to actually log in. And most of the users will not want to log in. So that's why I did not decide to give it access to leaderboard. So I'm going to click on no. You can actually click on yes if you want to, and here too I'm also going to click on no. So when I click on no, I'm going to come to this place, this advanced setting. I'll open it. Then I'm going to click on show on menu. I also click on no. I don't want to show on menu. If you want to show on menu, you can't, but I just left my own game to be clean. Like the game I created, there's no menu. It is clean and it's wonderful. So that is that. I'm going to click on save. This is the first game. I've created the first game. I'll click on back again and click on create session. So for this tutorial, I'm going to only show you how you can create 4. But I told you earlier, you can create more than as you want. So to save time, I'm going to come here and click on game again. Then click here, click on select. So let me just select this one. Okay, this I'm going to select this skill hero. So you just check any game you feel like you love. So this is skill hero. Call it the name skill hero. Then leaderboard, no. User login, no. Then I'm going to click on okay, save. There's one more thing I didn't do. Let me just click on back and this one, open it, the skill, and come to this advanced setting and click on no. I don't want you to show in menu, so I'm going to click on save. They know I should click down there for it to show in menu. So let me do one more. Let me do 2 more. I'm going to click on create section. Then I'm just repeating the same process. Then select game. So let me say I love this particular game. This color string is interesting. I'm going to click on select, and I'm going to come here and call it that in particular name. So okay, this is color string. Then for it to show on leaderboard, no. User login, I also select no. Then I'm going to tap on this advanced. So if in case you don't know what I'm tapping on says, this is what I'm actually tapping on. So I'm going to click on no. I don't want to show on menu. Then I'm going to come down here and click on save. So when I click on save, let me just do one more. So I'm going to click on create section again. See, you can see I'm just doing the same thing. Then I'm going to come here and click on game. When I click on game here, I'm going to select game. Let me just select this one, flip the knife. Then I'm going to call it the name, that is flip the knife. Okay, then leaderboard, no. User login, no. Then I'm going to tap on this advanced setting and click on show on menu, no. Then I'm going to come here and click on save. So I successfully created 4 games. So the next thing I want to create here is I want to create my index. So as you can see here, if I open my game here, you can see in my game here there's an index. This what you are seeing here is like the home page. That's what we call the index. You can call it home page or you call it index. So before I do that, let me quickly create one more. And before I create the index, I'm going to create 2 more actually. So because you can when you come to my own game here, so when you come to my game here, you can see there's a chat room. I actually included a chat room so that people can actually, apart from playing game, you can actually come to here to just, just chat. You have to feed him their details, this and that. Then when I click on save, it's going to actually enable them. So here, the thing I actually make compulsory is just their name. So then let's play Daniel. So that is the only thing that is kind of compulsory there. So let's click on save. You can see here in the chat room, they can actually begin to chat. Okay, you can, okay, actually mistakenly click on one of the ad. That's why the ad put me here. So yeah, I can just click on the chat room. Hello, okay, I send it, and it's going to appear. You can actually off this sound, this crack sound. You can off it. So yeah, you can come out to play on game, play games. Then yeah, I'm just going. Let's continue with what we are. Okay, let's continue with what we are creating. Not this one. I'm going to come here. So let me create the chat room. The chat actually. Click on create section again. This time around, you'll locate chat. So this is the chat here. This is the chat one here. So just come here and click on chat. So when you click on chat, all you have to do is to give it a name. So I can call it let's chat. Then the login type, I actually put none because I wanted to just put their name and just log in. But if you want to actually collect their email, you can put email. You want to collect other, Facebook and this compose you can. But generally, you can see, in order to, you have to complete the setup below. So just to make life easy, just to make life easy, I will just advise you to either put just email or you put none. So if you select email, it means that they have to provide their email and their name. So I'm going to select none. Then just come down here, the same thing, this advanced setting, show in menu, click on no, then come down here and click on save. So I've created, so here you can see now it's asking for permission. So it means that you can see here to show distance is necessary. This app include user location permission. So you can include this permission from general info, the name and icon section. So I'm going to come here to this place here. When you come up here, so this is where they say you should come to. So here you can now see the name and icon. So if you include that chat, this must be included. So name and icon, when I come about name and icon. So I'm going to come here. You can see this see this option here, include user permission. So you have to come here and click on yes, then click on save, then click on OK. When you click on OK, this is going to save. You can see it here, saving and regenerating. So after that has been done, the next thing I want to do is to create another section. So I'll tap on section. So I've created most of the important section. So let me tap on section. Then I'm going to create I call it the index. So I'm going to click on create section. Now this index, I'm going to use the card. So this is the card section. This is the card I'm going to use. Let me just show you can show you here card. So this is the card here. So I'm going to come here and tap on the card. So when I tap on the cards, this is going to pop up for me. So I'm going to give my section a title. This is the index. So you can call this index or you can call it home page. Anything you want to call it. Then I'm going to come here and click on this show on menu. I'll click on no. Okay. Then I'm going to click on create. When I click on create, I'm going to select this second one here. I'll select this second one. So this one is one I'm going to select, and then the style. Now your image, your main image. So I've already done the main image. I'll show you how you can actually design yours. It's very simple. I actually use 3x2 height. That's the height. So you can actually design your own. You can use Canva to just do a simple design. So yeah, I actually did this one on PZ Lab. Okay. So yeah, I've started that image. So I'm going to show you how to do the image. Don't worry. So you should not bother about that. Then this place here, content. I'll leave that content alone. Then the description here. Don't get anything. Let's play game. Let's play game and relax. Let's play game and relax. Okay, this center. Yes, I want to be at the center, so I'll tap center. Now this place here is where you can make those things to appear as button. If you come to my index here, you can see all this appear as button and they are well underlined and well organized. So I'm just to come here. Then here, the style I want it to be as card form. The row, so one row. No, I don't want it to be half one row. How many numbers of column do you want? I want you to have just two columns, just 1 and 2. Then the adapt to width, yes. Adapt to width, yes. So I'm just going to come here, and the first one I'm going to do is put the name of the game. So to know the first name of the game, I hope you are following me. I hope you are enjoying this content. Please subscribe, like this video, share it with friends and family. So to know the first name of the game, I'll select on this link. I'll click on open section. Then I'm going to select open section. So the first one is Graffiti Kit. So I'll select Graffiti Kit. So yeah, I'm just going to come here. I'm actually in this place. Hope you get what I'm doing. I'm going to come here to this title, and I'm going to call it Graffiti Kids. Okay, Graffiti Kids. After I've done the gravity key, that's all I have to do there. Then I'm going to come here and click on save. So when I click on save, that is the first button. So I'll do that one for the second button. Okay, sorry, let me just come back to section again. This index, I'm going to open on that pencil icon, then click on this pencil icon again, click on this pencil icon again, because I want to add more buttons. I already added one button. So this is the before you actually click on create, there's something you need to do. So I'm coming back to this option here. I'm coming back to this place here, and here I'm going to click on the link again, open section. Then the section here, the first one, graffiti kits. And the title is what we called it earlier, graffiti kit. Then here, before you click on creation, make sure you click on this create. You have to create it. So I'll click on create, and this has been created. So the next one I'm going to do again, so repeat the same process for, we did actually 4. So I'm going to section, click on let's choose from this, click on the second one, skip hero, then give it to the title. The title is actually what we call it, skip hero. Okay, then click on create again. That's for the second one. Now for the third one, I'm going to choose again, then click on this Caroline string. Okay, then give it the name Caroline string, like that. Then click on create. So it's number of games that you have created, they are going to be selecting basically. Now for the last one here is flip the knife. So here I'm going to call it flip the knife. Okay, then click on create. When you have done clicking on create, just click on save. So now we have clicked on save. I'm just going to come back to my section. So we have done everything we need to put in our this thing has actually be done successfully. So the next thing I want to do is for you to come here. So when you come here this place here, you are going to click on the design. So click on this design. So when I click on this design, this is going to open up for me here. Then I'm going to come to menu type, click on menu type. So this particular one, I do not want menu, so I'm going to click on no menu. I'm going to click on save. So the same thing, since I've clicked on no menu, there'll be no menu. So here I'm going to come straight to my let's see, load image. So I'm going to click on load image. Which image I want it to load? So this is the image you added from the beginning will be the load image. So you can change it from here if you want to, but I'm going to leave it the way it is. Then come to this one, bottom menu, because when you come to my app here, this app here that I created there, you can see that there is a menu at the bottom. So that's what we call the bottom menu. So I'm just going to come here and click on show yes. Then I'm only going to go to create 2. So here, the first one here, I'm going to choose an icon so that you can go on Google and download the icon you want to use. Like for example, I started downloaded this icon on PNGX, so I can put the link below, or just go on Google and just search for, you just search for gamepad PNG free download. It's going to come out. But if you want this particular one, this particular website PNG egg, I'll put it below. Just click on it and you come here. So if I forget to put it, you can ask in the comment section. I'm going to give it to you in the comment section. So guys, so let me come back to the app that I'm creating. Yeah, so I'm going to click on choose file. I've downloaded it before. Then I'm going to click on the file I've downloaded. Then so this is it here, Space Station. Then give it the name. So this name, I'm going to call it all games. I call it all games. Then I'm going to click on open. Then I'm going to click on open section. We have put all the old game in one place, so I'm going to call it the index. So when I click on that particular game icon, it's going to take me to the index. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to click the second button here. I want to put the second button, and the second button is going to be chart. So it's doing the same process. That PNG egg, you're going to see that there. So I'm going to click on this second button here. I'm going to call it let's chat. Okay, let's chat, or let me call it chat room. A very simple name. So chat room. I'm going to call it chat room. Then I'm going to click on this one that is none, open section. Then I'm going to select let's chat as the section. Then I'm going to come down here. You can actually change the color. You can see my own color here is actually black. I like it the way it's black, so I'm not going to change it. You want to change it, you can change it if you want to. So I'm going to click on save. So when I click on save, this is going to be saved. What other thing do we want to do? So let's check out our app and see if everything has been set. So to download your app, all you have to do is to come here and you're going to click on download app. So when you click on download app, all you have to do is to actually click on this download, this big download. So I'm going to click on the big download. When I click on big download, you can see my app is successfully downloading. It's downloading. You just have to wait for it to finish downloading. It takes less than about 25 MB, I guess. less than that. So this has fully downloaded. Let's see what is going to ping up for us. So my things have been downloaded. You can see it here. It's actually asks me to open it. So I'm going to click on open. So when I click on open, this is going to be installed. Then I'm going to click on install. Then it's going to bring up a notification for me. Yes. Okay. Let's see if that's going to come out. So if it brings out notification for you, like asking you to scan it, that this and that, just enable. So this is yes. Just come here and click on this button here. No more details. Click on this more details and click on install without scanning. Now don't worry, this the particular game does not have any virus, but it's because it is not yet on Play Store. That's why it's giving this notification. So I'm going to click on install without scanning, and this is going to get installed. So just give it a few minutes to get installed. So let's see, and that has been installed. So I'm going to click on open to check out how our app is. So when I click on open, my app is going to load up for me. You can see this loading currently. So this is how you can create a game app in 2024. I believe you enjoyed this video. So guys, let's just quickly just see how the things is. This looks exactly like the one I created earlier. Yes, I know it's exactly the one like the one I created earlier. So this is it. Now there's a mistake we did here. I'm going to correct that mistake. Until I click on all game, you can see now the all game has appeared like this. But I want it that when they first come to the game, when they first come to the application, this is what I want it to appear, not the first game. So to do that, all I have to do is to come back to my the app I'm downloading. App I'm creating. I'll click on back. When I click on back, then I have to just come to my section. So this is my section. When I tap on that section, I have to move this particular index here. I have to move it to be the first one. So that's what I'm going to do. So to move it, all I have to do is to keep pressing on this arrow that is going up until it gets to the up. So I'm tapping on the arrow. Is the arrow I'm tapping on. So I'm tapping on that arrow. Then when I'm done with that, now I'm going to come here and click on save sort order. So when I click on save sort order, that is going to be sorted out for me. Basically, that's all I have to do. So if I should come back to my game here, it will look as if nothing has been done until I press back, exit it, and come and tap on the game again. So when I tap on the game again, the first thing is going to open is that particular let's play icon. So you can see it here. So you can just tap on anyone you want to play and you're good to go. So let me click on this Caroni string, which I thought is very interesting. So this is how you can create an app. So let me show you how you can actually put ad on it so that you can make money when you send your game to your friends and family. You can make money from it. So one of the game is loading. There's other important information I need to tell you. So when I do on tap, okay, let me reduce the noise, the sound, so that you can hear me carefully. So I love this game. Okay, all right, come on. Hurry up. It's going to fire it. Alright, so that is the game. You can just keep playing and enjoy the game. So now let me show you can show ad. Like my own game here, this particular game, like I'm going to put this game video so you can check it out. There's an ad on it. So to put ad is very simple. Just come to, as you are creating your game, Appcreator24, you see these ads here. Just click on this ad. When you click on this ad here, it's going to take you to all displays. So you can use any of this ad. You can use AdMob, AppNest. So I'm going to start with this start.io because that's one I use and it works very fine. You cannot use AdMob because your app is not yet on Play Store. So it's on Play Store, that's why you can put AdMob. So I'll put link below to how you can actually register on this start.io. So I already have an account actually, so I'm not going to show you how things can be done. That is it. So you can even use, if you have gotten one of the ID before, you can use it continually for every one of it. So I'm logging in, so I'm going to just blur this so that I won't run into problem with YouTube. So I'm going to click on my first email, so you won't be able to see the email because I'm going to blur it out. So this is going to load up for me. As you can see, loading up. It's going to take me straight to my account or per se. So let's wait for this to just quickly load up. Going to my dashboard. So after I've finished registering, it's going to take straight to your dashboard. But if this is your first time of registering, it may ask for other details. So this is my own dashboard that's showing me, Okay, so to put your app, all you have to do is to come down here. You see this my apps. So tap on this my app. When you tap on this my app, it's going to load up for you here. And these are the app I've created. So if for you, all you have to do is to click on this plus icon up here. So when you click on this plus icon, you see this create new app. So here is not yet published on Play Store. So I'm going to click on this one here, click here. So I'm going to put is Android app. So let's call it the name of the game. Let's play. That's the name of the game we're creating. Then okay. So you choose here is designed for, so below, so no, so click on add app. So this particular code you're going to copy. So I'm just going to copy this. So you can copy it or tap on this any way you want to do, copy it. Then you come to your Appcreator24. Every place that there is start.io. Okay, so here my add here, I'm coming back to my add here. Every there is start.io here. I'm going to paste that particular code. I'm going to paste it everywhere there is start.io so that I can make some money as people are enjoying playing the game. So just avoid you clicking on the ad yourself. So you get, so all this place I'm going to put it here, and okay, I'm going to click on save. So maybe you click on save, your ad will start showing on your game. So this is my own game that I created before. So this is the game we are creating. Now you can see that there's no ad. Let's click on back again. So tap on the game again, and you'll see everything is going to go fine. So if the ad did not show automatically, it does not show immediately, just wait for some few minutes. It's going to work. So guys, this is how you can actually create game using, so this is the ad, you can see the ad showing. This is how you can create game in 2024 using just your smartphone. So if you have enjoyed this content, please subscribe, share it with your friends and family. Please like this video, and I'm Daniel Oboye. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye. All right, before we finally go, let me show you how I was able to create this beautiful thing you are seeing here. To create that, I told earlier, I actually use an app. You can use Canva. So I actually use an app which is very, very quick. There's no template actually. The name of the app is known as PZ Lab. So this is the app here, PZ Lab. You can go to Google Play Store and search for PZ Lab, so you can actually download the particular app. So when I click on PZ Lab and open it, so this is it. So the inches I actually use is, so on my PZ Lab, all I have to do is to click on these 3 dots here. Okay, let me take away this notification. All I have to do is to click on these 3 dots up here. So when I click on these 3 dots, I have to give it a size. So I'll come to image size. I actually gave it 3x2. So this is image size 3x2 to have this. So this particular icon, I downloaded it. So you can go to Play Store, you can go to Google and search for gamepad. So you just download it. Then this is on this text. To add text is very simple. Just come up here. You see this plus icon here. This particular plus icon, just click on text. Then you can add the name of your text. So you can click on this pencil icon. So this particular pencil icon, and you can give it the name you want to give it. So here I call it game, then up. So you can call it anything you want to call. So this is it here. After I've done that, all I have to do is to drag it here and increase the size a little bit, as you have seen on my screen here. Then I just scroll down to this particular place. See, A is highlighted. You can see this A is highlighted there is for the text. Then I'll come to font. So this is the font. Tap on font. So some font is going to come with it. So this is the particular font I used. I use this particular font, go logo regular. I tap on that, click on OK. Then after I've done that, increase it a little bit, just like this. Then I just come straight to color. You can see, just search for color. There's a place you see color, okay, not background. You see color here. I tap on the color. So I use this purple or pink color, as the case you want to call it. So this is it. After I've done that, I just have to click on save. So this is the save icon here. I just tap on the save and it's going to save it. So tap on save and save as image. So that's how you can actually create this particular thing that I created. So guys, if you have gotten value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends and family. I am Daniel Oboye and I look forward to meet you at the top. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.